Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11i, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So first let's remove the case. Now we can access this slot. So what you should do is just put this tool inside the hole, slightly press it and it pops out. Now here you have two slots for SIM cards. This one is SIM 1 and this one is SIM 2. So let's insert, for example, SIM 1. And now let's put this slot back into our device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.